Noel. You're always there for me whenever I'm in need. I always ask the Almighty to bless you in every way. I could never thank you enough. Child, I'm always praying for your good health.
Auntie, it's a call from my daughter Squeezer.
Hello? Hello, bye, Sweezer. When are you coming at home?
Hello, Mama. Mama, you know that COVID is on the rise these days. We just cannot afford to risk our lives knowing how bad the situation is at the moment. No, we won't be able to visit you now and more so. What will we even do after coming down? There is nothing much we can do other than just being with you at
But
home.
I need you now more than ever. I'm longing to see you, my child. I feel all the more lonelier now, and I'm so distressed. I fear my life, and each passing day is getting more and more burdensome for me. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hey! What are you doing here? Whom do you want? Just wait. What is the matter? Don't force me to call the police. No, please wait.
Noel, what happened?
What is the matter with you? Mama, I don't want this outdated and old mobile phone. If I don't get the latest model, I swear I will stop attending these online classes. I'm already fed up with all this. And on top of it, my friends laugh at me saying what type of an old phone you're having in today's time. I feel so embarrassed and disgusted.
My son, why don't you understand? It has been 2 long years now that your dada has not been able to get a proper job to fend for us. We are struggling to make ends meet.
I'm tired of listening the same story over and over again. What kind of parents are you? You're not able to get me anything. I don't have anything that is proper and decent. Take this.
Rio!
I'm sure your parents must be buying and giving you everything that you ask for, no matter how big and expensive it might be.
This goes without saying that our mom and dad are always showering their blessings upon us each day from above.
Blessings from above? I really did not understand you. Our mama and papa are no more, as they were the victims of COVID-19. They are beloved parents, always radiating this path of our lives. My sister and me always light our own candles every day. When they go off with this light of our mama and papa.
We miss them dearly, but we feel and see them through our neighbors, the sick and the needy.
Our parents always taught us, whatever you do to the less fortunate and the needy, you do it for God. How we long to see our mama and papa. Yes. May I get your phone? The call is not ringing.
Don't worry, we'll try calling again.
Hello? Hello?
Huh?
Leo? My son? Where are you, Baba? Dada and I have been searching you since morning. We have been so very worried.
Rio, Baba, Mama, Dada. Please, forgive me. I was wrong.
But Baba, where are you? We are coming.
Papa, I'm in safe hands. Don't worry, I'm coming home.
A lots of twists and turns have been happening in our life. This pandemic has been a great teacher who taught us lessons for life. Not to lose hope when the sun goes down as the stars come up.